may need to create a survey in order to get to know better young people's habits, or maybe if you need to prepare the activities for a project, you want to get more information about the project topic, or even if you are organizing some activities with young people, maybe at once you need to involve young people in looking for information about the trends among the local population about a specific topic. That's why you may need to create a survey. And a very good tool is the use of toluna quick surveys. Toluna quick surveys is good because you can decide which is the number of the respondents that you want to reach. You can create a link that you can send like a message on Facebook, or that you can publish on your Facebook page, or that you can send by email. And then also about the analytic of your result, it is very nice because the survey is completed. It gives you also a visual result of it, the number of male and female who answered. And then about your specific questions, you can obtain a pie chart, or even bars, or just data. After login, you have to click on Create Survey to choose My Own Audience, and you can add a title for survey. So let's imagine to make a survey about the communication tools used by young people. Then you can add a logo, and you can upload it from your computer. Then you can also customize your survey and change the colors of header and footer, progress bar and navigation buttons, and selection buttons. And you can select a category, and for us it will be computing and internet. Then you can choose how many respondents you will need. The minimum is 100, but it can be even more or even unlimited. Let's say 100. And then you can start to build our survey. The opportunity to add for choice or open-end or matrix cross or rating, numeric, ranking, or multiple text box, thumbs, battle, tiles, or you can just add elements. For example, maybe you can add rich text or image or video. And then there is also a question bank where you can, if you have no inspiration, you can take some questions. So for example, about demographic, at first maybe you want to know some information about people, and you can choose to add gender, age, or there are maybe also some other informations. And then there is also the intro page to be filled. Welcome, please take a few minutes to answer a quick survey. And this is how it will be. And then let's start to draw elements. It's very easy, so I will just show you some examples, because what is very important is that you can add some filters. You use social networks in your daily life for communication purposes. It needs single choice answer. And we need to add one new page, because if people answer yes, we can add some more questions for them. If people answer no, we need to show then the end of the survey. So we can add another choice, and we can ask, which social network do you use for communication? And this time we need a multiple choice. We need to add a filter to the first question. So we go here, and we have to introduce a survey logic, a filter. In page 1, if answer checked is yes, the action is that we have go to page 2. Okay, and then if answer is no, the person has completed the survey. So this is our filter. Let's see what we made. I say no to the first question. The survey for me is finished. So let's imagine that we added all the relevant questions that we want, and then we can launch our survey. We can start it right now, or we can also choose a date when the survey can start. And also about the end, it can never finish, or it can have a date. And then we can also choose how we want that people will answer to our surveys, through a link, by email, through Facebook, to Twitter, or with embedding in our website, or with instant answers. And then when we prepared all our settings, we can launch the surveys just by clicking here, and it is online. It's always possible to modify it. From here you can make also a copy, and it's useful because maybe you want to create a similar survey so that you can work on what you already created before, or if you want to translate it because you are working with some partners from other countries. If you want to make a pause in your survey, so for a while people cannot answer, if you want to delay it or you want to see it again. And from here too, you can have a look on the report. This is how it looks. Now you just need to create your own survey.